Realme launched Buds Air 3, its latest true wireless earbuds, in India last week, as the successor to last year's Buds Air 2. This improves the active noise cancellation that is already present in the Buds Air 2, and adds features like dual device connectivity. So, are these the best true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation for the price? Starting with the design, the headset comes in a round charging case that fits in your pocket. You can see the charge indicator on the front. The case that is made of plastic is shiny, attracts fingerprints and is prone to scratches. The white version gets dirty easily, so I would prefer the blue color. The charging case measures 110.5 by 103 by 39.6 millimeters and weighs just 57 grams. This is slightly bigger and heavier than the predecessor, but it is still compact. There is a function key on the right side, and USB Type-C port is on the bottom, same as the Buds Air 2. The inner part of the headset has a plastic finish that is shiny, which is prone to fingerprints and scratches, but the stem part has a matte metal finish that looks and feels premium. Wish the other part also had a matte finish. The earbuds weigh about 4.2 grams, which is light. The stem part has a matte metal finish that feels premium, and it weighs about 4.2 grams. Realme Buds Air 3 features an optical sensor that automatically pauses the audio when you remove it from your ears, and resumes audio when you put it back. These earbuds fit perfectly in your ears and don't fall even when cycling and running. The IPX5 water resistance rating prevents it from sweat, water splash, and rain. However, the case is not water resistance. The Realme Buds Air 3 supports Bluetooth 5.2 with AAC high-quality audio codec. The pairing process is very easy. Simply press and hold the function button on the case for 3 seconds until the status light blinks white. This means that the headset is now ready to be paired to a device. Now open the Bluetooth settings on the phone, and it shows up as Realme Buds Air 3, and you can connect to it. As soon as the connection is established, the blinking LED should go off. You can take the earbuds out of the case and start using. To analyze sound output, I tried listening to a variety of genres, and it has impressed me so far. The Buds Air 3 supports a DBB driver, dynamic bass boost, which does a fair job at delivering clear vocals and powerful bass. The audio is loud for active noise cancellation earbuds. You might find mids and highs mixing up, but it will only be noticeable distinctly to audiophiles. So if you are particular about details and dynamic range, you should look at a slightly costlier segment. It is compatible with the Realme Link app. Once linked, it was easy for me to jump around features, such as multi-device connection and the switching between noise-canceling modes. You can also set your own customized hearing sense to create the most suitable sound style for your ears by using customized audio tuning. Calling performance is also decent, be it connectivity, range, or mid-performance. There hasn't been a single instance of trouble during calls. However, some users did complain of the voice being muffled, which makes it just about how any sub-5K TWS sounds on calls. The Realme Buds Air 2 packs a 10mm professional-grade liquid crystal polymer diaphragm. The low-latency gaming mode is useful when gaming since it reduces the latency to 88 milliseconds, same as the predecessor. It is also easy to enter the gaming mode when you long press on both sides of the earbuds. The earbuds offer a good amount of noise isolation, and dual microphones help when it comes to voice clarity during calls. The earphones also reduce the background noise to a certain extent that helps in a crowded or noisy environment and when you are traveling, thanks to a CNC noise-canceling algorithm. For the price it's good, but when you are in a loud environment such as heavy traffic, it doesn't work well. The earbuds fit test option plays music to ensure that your ear tips make a good seal with your ear canal for better noise cancelling. You also get frequent firmware updates for the headset that improves the quality and adds new features. Regarding the noise cancellation, the active noise cancellation blocks the ambient sound up to 42 decibel, compared to 25 decibel in the predecessor. You can see the difference in the quality between the Air 2 and the Air 3 when you are listening outdoors. For the price, it does a good job, but the company could have added a separate mode for light and strong active noise cancellation to use indoor and outdoors. This feature is available in OnePlus Buds E2. The transparency mode is also useful. The earbuds with a 43 mAh battery promise up to 7 hours of standalone battery life without active noise cancellation, and 5.5 hours with active noise cancellation, enabled in 50% volume, better than the predecessor. With the 460 mAh charging case, it promises up to 30 hours of total battery life without active noise cancellation, and 22 hours of total battery life with noise cancellation enabled. Overall, Realme Buds Air 3 is a value for money true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation you can get for a price of $52. It offers good audio quality with up to 42 decibel noise cancellation, has dual device connectivity, and the battery life has also been improved compared to the predecessor. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.